Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of three numbers 70, 140 and 350. We will be using the division method or the prime factorization method to find the LCM of the three numbers. In this method we divide all three numbers using prime numbers and find the prime factors of the number. After finding the prime factors, we take the product of the factors to find the LCM of the three numbers. Let's divide the three numbers using prime factorization. As all the three numbers are even, we are going to use 2 to divide the numbers. 2 times 3 is 6, 1 is remainder, this becomes 10, 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 15. 2 times 7 is 14, 1 is remainder, this becomes 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Again we can use 2 to divide number 70. 35 and 175 are odd numbers. We'll write it as is. 2 times 3 is 6, 1 is remainder, this becomes 10, 2 times 5 is 10. And 175 will be 175. Next prime number is 3, but all the three numbers are not divisible by 3, so we'll use 5 to divide the three numbers. 5 times 7 is 35, 5 times 7 is 35, 5 times 3 is 15, 2 is remainder, this becomes 25, 5 times 5 is 25. 7 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 7, 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 times 5 is 35. Again we are going to use 5 to divide number 5 as it is a prime number, so 5 times 1 is 5. So the LCM of the three numbers will be the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder. So 2 times 2 times 5 times 7 times 5 is the LCM of the three numbers, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 7 is 140 and 140 times 5 is 700. So the LCM of the three numbers is 700. So this is how we find the LCM of any number using prime factorization. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.